have a problem like this, the best thing, if you're getting into trouble, get the ignition switch, the door cylinder, this is the door cylinder, ignition switch, and the key, the CAS module, and what else? And this one you don't need it, which means the slot. You see, like this one here. And then after you put all of them inside, you don't have to worry about anything. You just push the button and the key. Don't forget the key. This is the old one, and which is messed up. And then I don't know what they do, but they messed up everything. So get this together from the same carrier model. Check the dealer if it's gonna be the same, and then you put them together, everything, the car will start. Then you can see what your other, if you don't have no electrical problem or not any other things, everything will be okay. If you don't have that one, this one here will not stop the car from starting. This is only slot. You see, now I push it, ignition could be on. Understand? Turn it off. The car running very poorly bad, but this is what you need to do in case you don't know what happened, or even though you need to have a key for a car. Like, okay, I lost the key and it cost me arm and leg. Buy all this setup together for your same car. You take this one out, you put it in, and you work. The computer, the CAS module, you replace it, and then you replace the computer, and you put the slot. You don't need to change the slot. The old one gonna work. The computer is located in this area here. Mini Cooper, no starting, electrical problem. Here is the engine computer in this place here. This is the fuse box. You take this one in the bottom there. That's the engine computer, as you see. The next one is to read the SKU from the computer and program the key. Also is another options, and this is only what I can tell you about this car here. When you have the problem like this, try to I just give you an idea, quick idea, and then we take it from there. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. This is Muhammad, and see you in another video.